Okay, guys, what's up? The Gonzo Brothers here. Today is not a vlog, but I don't really care. It's another unboxing video of a Husqavarna chainsaw 440. So, it's my brother's saw. Let my brother take over. Anthony? 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 Okay, what do you want for Christmas? I mean, here's my brand new saw I got today at Lowe's for a good price. I had 3 chainsaws, an Echo, 2 Polands, a Poland Pro and a 245A, but they're not working now. I'm pissed. But I want to get the 245 fixed and throw out the other Poland and get the Echo fixed. It's running, but not running as well. So, okay, let's get to the unboxing. John? John, where are you? Sorry, I had to do something. Unboxing time? Yeah. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's do this. So this is my first Husqavarna chainsaw I ever had. Oh yeah. What I said earlier, I only had those 3 other chainsaws. Now I got this one. Yay. How the hell did they fucking box this shit? My fat fingers can't get in the freaking thing. Let go. My box. Oh yeah, I got my own thing after this. This is our comes package. It's not bad. Comes with the manual, the scrunch, and a little oil for the, I think it's for the mix. Seriously, it does come with a book. Really? Safety tips. Oh, this is quick start guide. And seriously, it comes with a manual. Oh yeah, I do have a warranty that comes with it. Really? Okay, cool. If I have any difficulties with anything, I can just call. I'm looking at the. I'm actually filming the box, and the camera's kind of shaky, but stuff right there. Why should I stop? So I can call them if I have any difficulties, and now I got the warranty. And I gotta say, what? Oh, I got a lifetime warranty. Well, no, limited warranty. At least it's something. Outside of his lifetime, it says limited. I'll read that later. Seriously, it has all like the warning labels. Alright, want to take the saw out? Oh, what's that? The oil. Is that the mixed fuel for the mixed fuel? Yeah, 2-stroke oil. Whoops. That's what came with it. Damn, this is good. Want me to hold the box? Everybody's gonna laugh on you on YouTube now. Kinda. That'd be only me. Well, I only can do that. Oh, this is not bad. You can put this over there by
Okay.
This is nice.
Hey, show it to the camera.
There you go. The chain I'll be taking off.
Wait, what? Say that again?
I'm gonna take the chain off this
The saw's actually meant for...
I ain't gonna spray it. I'm not doing anything to this. What I did with my other saws. I learned my lesson. Then I can't get the warranty and get it fixed. But that's why taking landscape horticulture classes taught me how to fix small engines. Smart thing. Thanks, Mr. Nyhart.
You're probably gonna pass up on this video and see who we are.
Yeah.
Hey, he found our channel.
This is what the Husqavarna 440 looks like.
Oh, let me actually turn this over. I'm gonna take a zoom up on it.
Can we turn it? Let me grab the gas and take the chain off, and we'll be right back. Okay, filled it up with gas, took the chain off. Let's get started.
Say it again. I didn't hear you.
Are you deaf?
Yes.
Do I have to say it all over again?
Yes. Quick words.
Filled it up with gas, took the chain off. You can tell I filled it, little window right there. First time starting it.
How many times do you press
Right
the
here, you
primer?
press this 6 times. I did more because first time starting it, but that's how I do it. You don't need to do the same thing as me. I did 10, but I did extra couple pumps. You take this, pull it out, and push up with this saw.
Ready?
Yeah. Just squeeze the throttle. Because if you just go like this, it's still in gear. So, here we go.
This is how we started. Huh? Try it again. be like?
The first start was a pain in the ass, but
It's no. It just came out of the box, okay?
yeah. Also, one more thing. Come visit us at Camp Space of Terror from this weekend, October 20th and 21st, from 7 to 11 at those 2 dates on the 20th and 21st, Friday and Saturday, and next week on our last weekend, the 27th and 28th. Same time from 7 to 11. Come see the Gonzas. Bye.